Deep in the heart of the forest, a sound reverberates through the ancient trees. A rhythmic drumming, precise and powerful. This is the unmistakable call of the woodpecker, a master carpenter of the wild. With each strike, the woodpeckers had endorsed forces that would leave most creatures concussed. But nature has designed it with an extraordinary shock-absorbing system, specialized skull bones, and a sponge-like brain case that shield it from harm. Its feet are built for an arboreal lifestyle. 2 toes face forward, 2 backward, a perfect design for clinging to tree trunks, while its stiff tail feathers act as a support brace. Every part of this bird is engineered for one purpose: survival through precision. And then there's the tongue, a marvel in itself. So long that it coils inside its skull when not in use, it flicks out with razor precision, hunting down insects hiding within the wood. A woodpecker doesn't just peck, it listens, it senses, it hunts. From the towering trees of the Amazon to the snowy forests of North America, woodpeckers have adapted to a range of environments. Some, like the downy woodpecker, are small and delicate. Others, like the pileated woodpecker, are powerful giants, carving out massive cavities in trees. But beyond their hammering calls lies a deeper story, one of survival, of competition, and even of mystery. Legends speak of the ivory-billed woodpecker, a ghost of the American South, thought to be extinct but occasionally sighted. A bird lost to time, or simply hiding. These birds are not just carpenters, but architects of the ecosystem. The holes they carve become homes for countless other species: owls, bats, and even small mammals. Without woodpeckers, the forest would be a very different place. The drumming fades into the evening air, but it is never truly silent. As long as there are trees to explore, woodpeckers will continue their ancient craft, sculpting the wilderness, one strike at a time.